Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Hoodrich OG Chromatic mini bag. Let's have a look, guys. Wow. So I got this from the travel center. Look at the small bag they give with it. It's very small. It just about fits this bag. Oh yeah. So I got this because I'm going on holiday. Inshallah. So look at it, very nice. So this costs, let me see guys, it costs £27.99, but I got student discount, so £25.19 I paid. But I didn't even pay that. I paid £6.30 guys, because I'm playing with clear pay guys. So with clear pay you can do spread payments, so it does 4 payments. So it's going in 2 months I will own this. It will cover the bag, so I only pay £6 at a time, which is nothing, which is decent. So this is the bag itself. You got a nice strap. So the main reason I chose this over all the bags, it's got good quality to it. This is the kind of quality I've been looking for. Like, I'm a bit of a picky guy when it comes to stuff. The brand, I couldn't care less about the brand. It has to be good quality. This is good quality. So it's like a leather, but it's a different style of leather. It's not leather like, let me see, it's not this leather, normal leather. It's a higher quality leather, which is good. So you got the Hoodrich sign there. There was another bag. There's this one which is in gold and black, or there's the black with black. So it was a tough choice, but I decided to get the gold one because might as well, it just looks cooler. It just looks really nice. So you got the Hoodrich there, from nothing to something. So this was made by some guy. The company was made by some guy in Birmingham, I think. I can't remember, something like that. But basically he's got a partnership with JD now and some other big brand, so he's made it now. That's why you see everyone wearing these Hoodrich everywhere, because they're stocked in JD, Foot Asylum, all that. They have contracts now. But yeah, he's done well for himself. He's got good brand. The clothes isn't decent. The quality is good, as you can see, and the price isn't too dear. It's decent. Okay, you got a zip there. Got a zip all the way around, and then there's your pouch there. Very nice, very good. And then this is a bit short, so where it will come up to is the top of your chest, just about there-ish. Alright, wait, is there 2 zips? Oh shit, I didn't even notice that. In the shop I didn't even notice. So there's 3 compartments. So this section I didn't even notice. So you got this outside section. I guess I'll keep my tissues in there and stuff. I like to carry tissues with me because I eat a lot. So it's always handy to have tissues and stuff. I'll probably keep a tissue in there, maybe small perfume bag. Not bag, a small perfume. Okay, then you got the main one in here. Oh, this is quite even bigger than I thought, and that's really worth the money. Here's your other 2 compartments, so 1 compartment there and 1 in there. And bam. OG Chromatic mini bag, one size, £28. Hoodrich, look at that guys. Oof. There is a really good premium quality feel to this. Like I said, I couldn't care less about the brand. Like, I wear anything. As long as it looks good, I wear it. I use it, I wear it. As long as the quality is good, it looks good. You got the Hoodrich sign there. So you got 2 compartments there. So keep your normal stuff in there, your wallet, money, whatever in there. Put something else in there, your keys or whatever. So you'll see a lot of people, you see a lot of drug dealers with these bags, so it is what it is. It's just convenient. But yeah, very nice bag. I'm really impressed. Thank you. What am I saying? Thank you. It's not a sponsored video, unless Hoodrich want to sponsor this video. not this video, another video, let me know guys. But yeah, very nice quality, highly impressed with it. What do you think guys? So yeah, that will do its purpose. I'm happy with that. Let me know if you want to see more clothes unboxings or whatever. I'll do some, go get some more stuff. If you haven't checked out this video, go check this out. My cat. Hopefully it brings luck to us. And very nice bag. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Good night.